We want some audience participation now. You've been sitting there all afternoon doing